Kitchen Mastery Unleashed, DIY hacks everyone needs to try. Life hack: sanitize your coffee grinder by grinding raw rice. Keep your coffee grinder in top shape by periodically grinding raw rice in it to eliminate accumulated oils and old coffee grounds, ensuring a fresher flavor for your coffee. Life hack: maintain knife sharpness using a honing rod. Ensure both ease and safety in the kitchen by regularly using a honing rod, a simple DIY method that swiftly sharpens knives, enhancing their cutting effectiveness. Life hack: create effortless omelets with a waffle iron. Effortlessly master the art of omelet making by utilizing a waffle iron. Just oil, pour in your whisked eggs and fillings, close the lid, and within 2 to 3 minutes, enjoy a perfectly cooked, spill-free omelet without the need for tricky flipping. Life hack: make iced coffee with frozen coffee cubes using leftover brew. Elevate your homemade iced coffee by freezing leftover coffee in ice cube trays, creating concentrated coffee ice cubes that, when added to a glass with milk, creamer, or water, yield a gourmet and refreshing beverage. Life hack: remove extra fat from sauces and gravies with a turkey baster. Cut fat and calories from sauces effortlessly by employing a turkey baster to easily remove excess grease that naturally separates during simmering, avoiding the need for awkward skimming with a spoon. Life hack: place your cutting board above the sink. Simplify kitchen cleanup by placing your cutting board over the sink for easy disposal of food scraps and debris, utilizing the board's grooves for stability. Life hack: eliminate strawberry stems effortlessly with a straw. Make quick work of tedious strawberry stem removal by using a standard drinking straw. Simply insert it into the berry, push through at an angle, and effortlessly core the strawberry while ejecting the stem in a single motion. Life hack: prevent apple slices from browning by employing a rubber band. Maintain the freshness of sliced apples by placing a rubber band around them after cutting, preventing browning, reducing air exposure, and ensuring tidy slices for convenient snacking or packing. Life hack: extend the freshness of nuts by storing them in the freezer. Maintain the freshness of nuts by storing them in the freezer, preserving their natural oils and preventing oxidation for a prolonged shelf life and locked-in crunchy texture. Life hack: extend the freshness of nuts by storing them in the freezer. Maintain the freshness of nuts by storing them in the freezer, preserving their natural oils and preventing oxidation for a prolonged shelf life and locked-in crunchy texture. Life hack: achieve consistent meatball sizes using an ice cream scoop, ensuring consistent 1 to 3 ounce portions and eliminating the need for manual shaping, offering versatility from slider-sized appetizers to larger entrees. Life hack: organize Tupperware lids efficiently using a CD rack, utilizing the vertical CD slot dividers to store lids by size, ensuring visibility, neatness, and easy access without the hassle of digging through a cluttered collection. Life hack: employ a pastry blender for chopping ground meat while cooking. Use a stainless steel pastry blender to finely mince and enhance flavor while cooking, allowing for better sauce integration and fat breakdown. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.